We've just reached Girraween National Park. We're gonna start our walk. So towering over the Girraween Valley and dominating the landscape is what appears to be the enormous hump of some partly hidden prehistoric monster. Although this rock formation's name has changed over time, the present-day pyramid remains as a reminder of the turbulent geological processes that have created Girraween. Let's check it out. As you can see, we are walking on a high slope. It's very steep and very scary. Yeah, this is way too steep. By far, this is one of the hardest climbs we ever made.